In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use OBS Studio to record your screen step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. OBS Studio is one of the most popular free screen recording tools in the world, and it's perfect for creating tutorials, presentations, gameplay videos, or online courses. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up, record your screen, capture your microphone, and find your saved recordings. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Once OBS is open, look at the bottom right corner of the window and click on Settings. This is where we'll configure OBS so your recordings save correctly. Inside the Settings window, click on Output from the menu on the left. Under the Recording section, look for Recording Format. From the drop-down menu, select MP4. MP4 is the most common format and works perfectly for YouTube and most video editors. After setting the recording format to MP4, click OK to save your changes and exit the settings window. Now that the goal is set, let's add your screen so OBS knows what to record. At the bottom of the OBS window, you'll see a box called Sources. This is where you choose what appears in your recording. Click the plus button inside the Sources box, then select Display Capture from the list. A new window will pop up. You can leave the default settings as they are and click OK. Once you do this, your screen should immediately appear in the large preview window in the center of OBS. This means your screen is now ready to be recorded. Next, let's make sure your microphone is working so your voice is captured during the recording. Look at the audio mixer section at the bottom of OBS. Speak out loud into your microphone and watch the mic or mic aux bar. If you see it moving into the green or yellow area, that means OBS is picking up your voice correctly. If you don't see any movement, don't worry. Click on the three dots next to mic or mic aux, then click Properties. From the device dropdown, select the microphone you're using, then click OK. Speak again and confirm that the audio levels are moving. Now you're ready to start recording. When you're ready, go to the bottom right corner and click Start Recording. OBS is now recording everything on your screen along with your microphone audio. Go ahead and do whatever screen activity you want to capture, whether it's a tutorial, a walkthrough, or a presentation. When you're finished, return to OBS and click Stop Recording. Your recording is now saved to your computer. To find your video file, go to the top left corner of OBS, click File, then select Show Recordings. This will open the folder where OBS saves your videos, and you'll see your recording there ready to upload or edit. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your screen using OBS Studio. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.